Hi folks, good morning. I'm going to show you how to install a radar detector on a Model 3. I'm not seeing much videos about this, so here's information that I'm going to be doing. First, you're going to need a wire that you can get from eBay. They sell them there, usually about $9, and it's a mirror tap. And also they have, for a radar detector, you can use many versions, but this one I like this one. This one's basically got 3M tape on it, and we'll put it on the glass and attach the radar detector. This is an older detector that I like from Mexico. They don't make them anymore, but it's a smart radar and that connects to my phone. So anyway, we'll start the process and I'll walk you through it.
All right, the first thing we need to do is take this piece off right here. Now, I have a tool that I bought on Amazon, plastic. You can use a screwdriver, but I don't recommend it. So just because you gotta pry it and it might leave a mark. The plastic is meant for taking off trim and so forth. And what we gotta do is squeeze it here. Pry it out, but now I'm gonna put this down so I can use my other hand to put it out. All right, so here we go. There it is, taking off that piece. All you have to do is just push right in here. You can see there's a little tab right here. Push on it and pull straight down. Once that's done, you'll start seeing cables back here. All right, so now we need to remove this trim piece. And in order to do that, we have to take the mirror off. All you have to do is twist the mirror counterclockwise on this piece here, and it should come off. We twisted that off. This is what we got. So now we just gotta pull this. There's tabs. You can see there's tabs right here. And more tabs on that side right over here, and the opposite side is the same. And you can see in the plastic here there are tabs locations that you just pull. And now we just unplug this wire just to get it out of the way. Okay, now we just unplug this wire and just get out of the way. One note to unplug the wire, which I believe this is a camera that they have. I don't even realize they use it or not. Just unplug this wire, which is this one. You have to pull a tab. It's hard to see, but this tab comes off, so you can pry it off. This comes off completely off. Plastic right here. So this actual trim piece, which it's the color of the liner, that one, even though it looks like it's coming off here, it doesn't come off. You have to get behind that, which is the dark gray color, and pry that open. So it should be on both sides. So here's what we're gonna do. All right, so we got the wire in there. I just tested it and it's correct. So we got one yellow on one side. That's the only yellow in this power strip. On the opposite side, I'll try to get a little bit of a focus on there. There is a black. It's a third one. So it's a orange, red, and black. That's the one you need. There's other black on the other side, which is number 4th one. Where you see it purple, blue, white. That one, that black one is something else. I'm not sure what it is, but it doesn't have the ground. So only the ground is the 3rd one in from the right. And now we're just gonna try to put everything back together. We did test it, and here's the cable, and it works. Cable to the front Once you see it, you notice that, you know, there's another plastic needs to go right behind here. But it just snaps basically back in. It's pretty easy in the way in. Once you put it in here like this, the way it comes, it's in an angle. So that's not gonna work. So all you do is bend this piece back until you get the angle that you desire. Alright, so then just glue it and plug it in on this side. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. This is what it looks like before I push pressure on it. I did use a alcohol wipe just to clean the mirror. Make sure you get a perfect adhesive, especially if you got warm weather. The heat might loosen it up, but never had any issues. I used this like 4 times in different vehicles and never had a problem. All right, so here it is installed. There is a camera behind that, but it's not being used, so that's why we just taped it on there. So that will hold it. Just Velcro on the backside, but this is for that particular, you know, smart radar. The regular radars nowadays, you know, it's all built into the one unit, so you don't need this over here, so you don't have to worry about it. Or you can install it either side, left or right of the mirror. And you know, so it depends if you want to see or not. We don't have to see this piece, so we just look at that. So that kind of, when you're sitting over here, you kind of blocks it out. But again, that's the old smart radar. They don't make them anymore, but that's something that we have. That's it. So pretty much that's the install. So if any questions, feel free to post. And remember to support our website. We have a referral link at the bottom. Feel free to use it if you are looking for a Model 3.